Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So I decided to make the pups some treats for the summer to cool them off. It's been really hot in Arizona. We've gotten up to 114 so far and it'll probably get worse. But I like to make them treats during the summer, mostly the summer, but sometimes during other seasons as well. But it's usually summer where I just make a bunch of treats for them to cool them off. I give it to them in the morning with their first meal or in the evening after they're done playing outside. I just try to cool them off by giving them these fresh treats. Um, I used blueberries, raspberries, Greek plain yogurt, coconut water, filtered water, peanut butter, and pumpkin, and also banana. And then I got these molds that are like the best molds I've ever used from, I think it's called Emery Pets. I found her on Instagram also, and when I saw her molds, I was like, oh my God, I gotta get these because I used to buy the floppy ones that, to put them in the fridge, you gotta be really careful or else they'll just spill all over the place. And I was tired of using those, so I found these that are stackable as well, and you could just stack them up in the freezer, and they're so good. So I highly recommend these for treats because they're so easy to work with, and you don't have to worry about making a mess in your fridge. But yeah, that's what I did for most of my Saturday afternoon. I usually do this on the weekends because during the week I really don't have that much time. But yeah, so that's what I did all afternoon. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I ended up giving Dog Dad the rest of the banana to give the pups a treat for now until their treats are ready. And he's just basically cutting it up for all the pups. They're all getting some. Well, Carter got 2 and Sammy got 2, but the rest got 1. Now you know who Dog Dad's favorites are. We are all done now. Look at how nicely they're stacked up. This is what I love the most about them. But anyways, now let's get to the fun part, to my shopping addiction. We're unboxing some Anthropologie stuff that I bought. All their Halloween stuff came out for the most part, and I just jumped on it because I know that some of their stuff sells out really quick, so I wanted to order my stuff ahead of time. I got some really cute cups, a lot of candles. I'm addicted to their candles. I used to buy a lot of my candles from Bath and Body Works, but I gave up on that and I started getting them from Anthropologie. And yes, their candles at Anthro are really expensive, but the smell is incredible. I love them. I'm addicted to them. And every year, since last year, I end up buying this really big one that I burn like every day because it smells so good. It's a huge pumpkin one. I think it's pumpkin and vanilla. I'm not too sure, but oh my God, that makes my house smell everywhere. And so it just smells so good. But yeah, Dog Dad is helping me unbox all the goodies. So here we go with all the Halloween shopping. After a while, I checked on the treats to see if they were ready, and they weren't really ready, but I got excited and I wanted to give a treat to each of the spots. So here we are, giving them a treat. They love it, so I'm happy that they do. For the most part, they love everything. The only picky one that we have is Joey, and Joey likes to smell before he tastes, or he'll taste a little bit, and if he likes it, then he'll continue eating it. He's the only picky eater that we have. But the rest of the pups, they love it, and they just chow down on everything. So we decided to cook some steaks, some ribeye out in the grill, and they turned out really, really good. My husband cooked them really, really good this time. He's been lacking, so this time he did them really good. I love them. And then the pups are just outside playing while we're cooking. I love watching my dogs play. It just gives me some sense of peace, and I love that feeling. And now we're in the kitchen prepping it up. I made some corn in the oven and I really love how it comes out. I just normally put butter on it and then just stick it in the oven and cook it, and then I prep it like that Mexican corn. Y'all remember the elote man? I know he's still around, but that was a bomb. Unfortunately, we don't live in those kind of areas anymore where they come through, but if I ever have a chance to get one, I will definitely get one because they are delicious. But yep, we definitely grew up in areas where the elote man would come by and ring his little bell and we would run outside and get some elotes. Anyways, thanks you guys for watching our video. I hope you guys enjoyed our little weekend day in our life, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.